Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Street Trading coming at you with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at an hourly chart of AMD Advanced Micro Devices Technology sector. Let's get right into it. One of our go-tos, obviously we have this pretty much on a weekly watch list on a weekly basis. It's been performing not obviously as we had planned. That being said, because we're looking for long positions on this thing. That being said, you have to trade what the market gives you. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with flipping your bias, right? If you're looking to go long, especially in the security that you track, right? If you track a security on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis, you get the idiosyncrasies of how it flows, right? So switching your bias puts you in a position to capitalize on a move that you can not predict, because no one can really predict the future, but put probabilities on your side. So that being said, obviously we had we exited a position that we were holding last month, took some profits mid position, took a little hit as it continued to fade out, looking to continue to build onto that, but until things clear up with obviously the Russia-Ukraine situation, you have to trade what the market's given us. So yesterday, we took a stop on a position going to the upside and flipped our bias and just rode this thing to the downside. I mean, the market was bleeding, but not this extreme. These guys ended up dumping, like I think it was like 8% or whatever it was, and just completely oversold, whatever that means. We're not huge advocates of oversold, overbought, but that being said, the distribution was a bit much. It definitely reclaimed the 200 to the downside, which is a bearish move, but it appears to be a bit of a spring trap. Obviously, things are getting, the whole sector got blasted with the uncertainty with Ukraine and Russia, but it gave us a nice opportunity for an intraday move to the downside. So let's get into the trade. Let's get into where we stopped out, the initial, and then we had a flipper bias and we took down to the downside. So it ended up being a really nice trade to the downside. Wasn't expecting it to flush this much, but at the end of the day, guys, you trade what the market gives you. That's it. That's what we just beat a dead horse. Trade what the market gives you. Don't fight the trend. Flow with the street. All right, guys, let's get down to how we trade this thing. And our stops and our short to the downside. Let's go.